National Electrical Code NEC Article 300 addresses wiring methods, and Section 300.3 specifically covers the separation of conductors. 300.3b pertains to conductors of different systems and voltages. 300.3b states that conductors of different systems, for example alternating current and direct current, or different voltages, for example 120 volts and 277 volts, shall be separated by a barrier. 300.3b2 specifies what that barrier must be. The barrier shall be 1. A partition, wall, or other solid insulating material. 2. A separate raceway such as conduit or cable tray. Or 3. A continuous and firmly fixed non-conducting coating such as enamel. 300.3c discusses conductors of opposite polarity. 300.3 Code states that uninsulated conductors of opposite polarity from a single circuit shall be separated by a continuous and firmly fixed non-conducting coating, like enamel. 300.3c2 specifies how insulated conductors of opposite polarity shall be separated. Insulated conductors of opposite polarity shall be 1. Separated by a partition, wall, or other solid insulating material. 2. Enclosed in a single raceway such as conduit. Or 3. Separated by a continuous and firmly fixed non-conducting coating like tape. 300.3f covers conductors and raceways. Conductors and raceways shall be separated by barriers or enclosures as required by 300.3b and 300.3c. To summarize the NEC requirements for conductor separation, conductors of different systems or voltages must be separated by a physical barrier, a separate raceway, or non-conducting coating. Uninsulated conductors of opposite polarity must have a non-conducting coating. Insulated conductors of opposite polarity must be separated by a physical barrier, be within a single raceway, or have a non-conducting coating. And finally, conductors and raceways must adhere to the separation requirements outlined in 300.3b and 300.3c.